back to my channel. In the previous video we saw that how we can create arrays. In this video we are going to see how we can create list. So list in C# are very similar to list in Java. A list is an object which holds variable in a specific order. The type of variable that the list can store is defined using the generic syntax. The list is better for frequent insertion and deletion, whereas arrays are much better suited for frequent access of element scenarios. So if you want to update any item in an array, you cannot do so. You need to either delete previous item in order to add new item, or you need to create another array. But in list, if you want to insert or you want to delete anything, you can do it in a better and in a much suited way. So let us see how we can create an list in C#. So for creating the list, what I need to do, import the list from using System.Collection.Generic, and once we have imported this, we can just start create. So now what we need to do, write list, and I will use pointed bracket, and in this pointed bracket I will write the type of list I want to create. So if I want to create a string list, I can type string. If I want to create int list, I can type int. So I will just type string now, and then here I will give the name of the list. So I want to create car list, then we will use new list, and again here we are going to give the type of the list which we are creating, and this parenthesis and then semicolon. Once we have declared the list, then we need to add the data in this list. So for adding the data, we need to call this cars variable, and then I need to add. So what I need to add in this, I need to add the name of the car. So in order to add the name of the car, I will just open parenthesis, and in this quote I will just add BMW, and I will just use semicolon here. Similarly, as many number of items I want to add, I will just keep on adding, and so here I will add one more car now. Now what I will do, I will just write that we are creating list here. Now in order to print that whatever data we have added, is it added perfectly or not, so I will just create a for each loop. And as discussed in the previous video, if you haven't seen my previous video for each, then please do look at it. And then I will define the type for each, and then I will define the variable, and where I want to look, I will be looking it in cars. I will open the scope of this for loop, and here I will just write console dot write line. Now I will print all the values at every index of I. So let us run and see what we are getting. So we are creating a list here, and we are getting BMW, Honda, Ford, Kia. And suppose you are having the value and you want to remove it, then in that case what you can do, you can just go here and say, for example, I want to remove Kia. What I will do, I will just write here. Now let us see what result we are getting. So as we can see, Kia has been successfully removed from the list. So basically list helps in creating dynamic data, and it is better in sometimes if we are doing frequent insertion and deletion. So it is better than arrays for these frequent insertion and deletion. Do let me know if you liked my video, and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.